Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Vitara SZ5 ALLGRIP. This vehicle also has the extra accessory pack, the urban pack. So you can see the chrome light bezels and chrome grille there. As we move around, you also have the chrome sill running down the side there. Alloy wheels. The vehicle is in excellent condition, the bodywork and the paintwork. You can also see the rear spoiler there. The SZ5 has plenty of features, so if we take a look inside, leather steering wheel, you have adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth connectivity. It's also keyless entry and keyless start. In-car entertainment, which has sat-nav, Apple CarPlay, DAB digital radio. Also features reversing camera with wide-angle lens. You have leather and suede interior, panoramic sunroof with electric blind. This being the ALLGRIP, you see the controls there, so you have automatic mode for everyday use. Take a look in the rear, plenty of space for rear passengers, 3 seats, 2 of which with ISOFIX. So we move round, rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the parking camera. This vehicle has had just one owner from new, has full service history, it's in excellent condition. The vehicle would come with a service and 12 months MOT before leaving.